Let's take a quick detour and see what this value here does. So in the previous video, we took care of creating these accounts, and that's fine. See here, we have this user in here. But now let's say I add another user. If I run this, I'm expecting to see my previous user plus this new one. So let's run this as well. And now if I do a select, there's only one record in here. So what happened to my old data? That has to do with this value here. So this create option will completely destroy what used to be there and then create a new one. So all of my data was erased because of this value. So the other option we have is to use the update. Let me just see here. Let's see what the update option does. I'll recreate my old value here. And now if we do a select, both of my records are in here. So this persistence.xml file, especially this property here, can have some very drastic effects, and it's important to know what you put in here. The safest option is to use this validate. This won't make any changes to this schema. So I can just put that in there, and if I run this, it's going to do the same thing, but we might have an error here where it says that I've tried to insert a value on a column with a unique constraint. So I can't insert this value here. And there we go. So initial creation, we can use this one, or we can simply use the update value to do the initial creation and then also subsequent runs of this application. My advice would be to use the update whenever you make changes to the entities, and then change it back to validate once the application is running.